V.
Hey Team V! Hello! Today we're going to teach you how to make a super delicious and tasty treat. What is it?
Strawberries that are filled with Nutella.
Okay.
Or chocolate. Any kind of chocolate you have, kids. Oh, and whipped cream.
Well, this is only this only uses 2 ingredients, Nutella and strawberries. Whipped cream is just an extra, okay?
What are we going to use whipped cream for?
Well, just if you want to dip it in whipped cream afterwards. So now the supplies you need are strawberries, a knife, a cutting board, a plate to serve it on, scissors to snip your bag. Now here's the thing, if you don't have, this is like a frosting bag. If you don't have this, and there's like any attachment, if you don't have that, it's no big deal. Just get a zip-up bag, okay? And you need Nutella, and this is just for the whipped cream.
Okay.
So what we did earlier is we put I snipped off the end of this bag.
And it's really yummy, I just took a bit
Like that. Then I turned it inside out of it, and I placed it in this cup. And before I placed it in the cup, I put the attachment all the way into the bottom. And so that the tip would be sticking out of the cut part. So don't make your cut too small, don't make it too big so the thing pops out. Like I said, if you don't have this, no big deal. You can just use a...
So make it medium size there.
Yeah. So we did that, and then I put this in the fridge, the Nutella in the fridge. And so the Nutella has hardened up a little bit, okay? And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna twist the top of the bag so it doesn't come out. And then I'm gonna squish it. Whoa! And then I'm gonna twist it and I'm gonna squish it until it's right near the bottom. That's right. Okay, so what we do here is we're gonna cut strawberries. So
Not all the way through the bottom.
That's right.
Yes, I'll tell you the directions now because I saw you do it. So you get your
First we cut off the
bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you cut across up here, but don't cut it all the way down there, kids.
Okay, so an adult is the one using the knife, and you cut one width halfway through, and then you turn it and you cross it halfway through. Can you put that on the plate? So I'm gonna cut off the bottom again, and I put it across in the top. Okay, put that on our plate. Last one, cut off the bottom, and one way, then the other. Okay, we're done our cutting. Put that over there. So now we have all our strawberries and they have a cross cut into them. Okay? And Leah's gonna help me. So you can leave that down here. You can help me with the squeezing. Squeezing of the...
Squeeze. Squeezing of the squeeze.
Squeezing of the Nutella. Okay, so I'm just gonna test it on the plate. No, I'll test it on the cutting board so that you can see. There.
Oh, that looks cool. Yeah,
Oh, put your finger in later. Okay, Leah, you can help me with the squeezing.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna push my finger in there and put the top in. Now, Leo, squeeze it.
Right here?
Yeah. Wow. Don't not push it down, just squeeze. All right, and then you get a little Nutella popping right out of the top of your strawberries. It's a little messy, kids. But that's kind of fun too. Stick it in the middle, squeeze it, Leo. Okay, let go, let go. Perfect.
Look, they have little stems.
It's like they have little stems. So you stick it in the middle, you give it a squish, and you make it come off the top. And that's it. So 2 ingredients, Nutella and chocolate, and it's like a sweet treat. But it's also kind of healthy too, because you have all that goodness that's in the strawberry. Oh, that one came out the sides. Do you want to do another squish for me? Yeah. Squish it, squish it.
I want to go down here.
Yeah, squish it, go ahead. All right, let go.
That one's going to be good.
That one's going to be good.
I want to pick that one.
Yeah.
Oh, and the one that's they all look really good.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that one fell apart.
I'm
Whoops.
gonna eat it.
Leah's going to eat that instead.
Yum. Yum.
See, and strawberries, you do not need chocolate to eat strawberries, my friends. Strawberries are delicious. on their own. Last one, help me squish it. Squish it. Ooh, you're so strong. And that's it, my friends. So that is how you can make a delicious Nutella strawberry treat. And then when you're done with that, you want to dip it in some whipped cream.